I love this lamp. It's easy to set up. I mean, it basically comes set up, but it has a port too for USBs to plug stuff in, and I didn't realize, but it's touch lamp, and it has 3 different settings. Low, you can't really tell because the way my phone is angled to pick up the light in my room, but this is medium, and then even brighter. It's awesome. And then it even has a cord in the back if you want to turn it off this way. You just flick it off or on. Awesome light. See, depending on what,
it doesn't charge. One of the main reasons I bought it, so I can have a charger and it won't charge. It won't charge.
So the lamp is really cute, but when we plug it in, this is what it does. It doesn't do anything else. It can't be turned off. It just goes in 3 different levels of light and shuts off. So it's past June 22nd, which is when I was supposed to be able to return it, but I really think that